Ay, ay, ay. Sinalubong kanya, oh. Si Happy Valentine's. Wow. Oba, binilang ka pala ni daddy mo, ano, social. Happy Valentine's Day.
Kuntinda.
Ha? Ayun.
May flower pa.
Oh, may flower pa. Wow, my cake. Happy Valentine's. Valentine's na bukas. No. Chocolate. Happy Valentine's na nabigay din ni Al. Valentine's. To for Zoe, girl. For Zoe. Look at her clothes. Mom's Valentine. Oh, nice, so cute. Mom's Valentine. Oh, cute na, oh. Cute na, oh. Cute na, oh. Nang cute ng outfit ni Zoe, oh. Ba? You like your new one, Zoe? You like that one? Ba? Yung pagkain ni Zoe, oh. Lagay ng pagkain ni Zoe. That's good, Zoe, oh. It's cute. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Where's Daddy Ann? Where's Daddy Ann? Where's Daddy Ann? Huh? Where's Daddy Ann? Say hi. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ayan na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Wow. Is that for Zoe? Wow, for Zoe, girl. Happy Valentine's Day. Surprise. Wow. Thank you. Red roses.
Lagay ko yung ibang rose.
Ay, doon sa ano? Ay, pwede dito, be.
Pwede yung pang saksak din.
Yeah. Diyan?
Ibang rose. Tanggalin ko lang ito mo.
Sige. Di, ilagay mo. Oh, sige, tanggalin mo yan. Ilagay mo doon. Roses, my love.